What's up, everyone? I'm Timothy Milamasylum Jr., and you're checking out Milamasylum. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully, I do well enough that you will like and you will share, but if not, that's totally cool. But hopefully, and also maybe, I can earn your subscription. But if not, also totally cool. But thanks for being here anyways. Thanks for checking out this review, and I hope that it serves you well. I have been called out and said that I don't know how to review, which is fine, because I don't. I'm just giving you my own personal opinion. And I think that's what a review is. Could be wrong. Don't know. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to my opinion channel. Anyways, yes, from the thumbnail you have fucking guessed it. Another bird dog. Or if this is your first time watching one of my videos, bird dog. Yay! Yes, from the thumbnail, obviously you know what it is. Salted caramel. Now I am going to go up against another salted caramel in this video. And I had just did a couple days ago that I shared. This I found at Oak Grove Liquor Store in Oak Grove. This was $19.95 per bottle. They got a cool little stretchy label thing here. It says San Francisco Double Gold 2021 World Spirit Competition. It's a Dub Gold winner, 80 proof. There is nothing else for me to go over in about this product. The best thing, one of the best things, these people are all about giving you a very professional looking bottle. I'm going to be honest, for me it looked very generic. Just the label in and of itself, like it would be like a very just cookie cutter product. But the more that I review, this is my fourth review of them, fifth bottle of review, the more I actually realize they put a lot of professionalism to give you quality. Now let's see this. Real wood topper, real cork, 100% top quality there. This is an ASMR moment, so let us Ooh, that was only a 3.9 out of 10 on the Populicious chart. Anyway. Alright. Let us smell test. Whew! That smells like a toasted salted caramel. The last one did not smell that way. It tasted more, or smelled more like a salted or a toasted peanut butter. This one actually smells like salted caramel, slightly toasted. Let's pour her up. So this one product here from San Francisco in 2021 is a double gold winner. So let's hope that it actually tastes as advertised. Now, this product does a pretty damn good job at kind of giving you what it tastes like. Not always. A lot of alcohols do fail. This one, it's pretty close to what they were trying to accomplish, but some of them just fall just a tad bit short. We're still getting the same scent, but slightly a little bit heavy on the whiskey scent as well. That one has made itself present. Bottoms up. Okay, so it kind of tastes like a salted caramel, but it tastes more on the side of like a peanut butter. Not a lot, but kind of. It's kind of like teetering on either or. So if nobody knew what they were taking, they would probably ask for more peanut butter flavored whiskey. And I'd be like, I don't got any peanut butter flavored whiskey. But I can get you some more salted caramel whiskey. As far as flavor goes, versus the price, let's slap it with an 8.2 out of 10. Okay, now we're going to go head to head with the other salted caramel and see who is the winner. Marcotte Distilling salted caramel flavored whiskey. This is out of Philomath, Oregon, just outside of Corvallis. Now, if any one of you guys are familiar with Corvallis, it's a Beaver state, Beaver football, college Beaver football. And we also, here in Oregon, also have the Ducks, the University of Oregon. So I'm sure most of you guys that are sport fanatic have either played those teams as your team or against those teams as your team. This is out of Kentucky. So we're doing Kentucky versus Oregon. Okay. That was worse. That was like a fucking 2. So now with Makoti, they're halfway there. They got the wood topper with a plastic or rubber cork. I do recommend that they start using real cork. Okay. Now again, I'm gonna. Yeah, see, this one doesn't have any kind of a smell to it. It's kind of a sweet smelling, but doesn't really offer anything else. I couldn't tell you that this was a salted caramel. Oh, and also, if you're wondering, this is a 70 proof versus an 80 proof. But we're here for flavor. Okay, Marcotte wins in the flavor challenge. Salted caramel. So if you are looking for a salted caramel beverage, find Marcotte. Salted caramel. Flavored whiskey. It is a 70 proof. It's not an 80 proof. But this actually does taste like salted caramel in this one. If you want to know what I gave this one as far as a score, go check out that one. Just type in Marcotte salted caramel, and you'll get my other review. But anyways, that's this review. I'm Timothy Milamasylum Jr. Thank you for tuning in. Now, fuck off.